Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Maths Tech for Life. Hope you all are good. Today we are going to learn multiplication of decimal. For that I will show you some example. If I want to multiply 0.2 to 6. This is a decimal number and this is a whole number. If I want to multiply a whole number by decimal, the first thing you want to do is you have to ignore this decimal number. So you will get a number 2 and here number 6. We know how to multiply 2 and 6. 2 6 are 12. This is the first step. That is ignoring the decimal and multiplying the number. Then you will get 12. Then after this you want to check after decimal place in the right side how many numbers. Only one number, one place. So from this place you have to move leftwards, it is backward. So here only one place means one place, one number after put a decimal. So the answer is 1.2. Let's go to another example. 4.6 multiplied by 8. What is our first rule? First ignore the decimal place and multiply the number. That is 46. You have to take here 4 and 6. That is 46 multiplied by 8. What is 46 multiplied by 8? 46 multiplied by 8 is 368. Now after decimal to the right side, how many place? One place. So from here you have to count one. One place means this is this place after put a decimal. This is our answer. Again I will show you another example. If I want to multiply 2.71 into 5, here first ignore the decimal number and you have to multiply. Then you will get 271 multiplied by 5. What is 271 multiplied by 5? This is 1355. Now after decimal to the right side, how many places? 1, 2 places. So from here you have to start counting 1, 2 number after put a decimal. So the answer is 13.55. That is, the rule is if you want to multiply a whole number by a decimal number, ignore the decimal number and multiply the numbers. Okay, then you will get one answer. After getting the answer, you have to check after decimal to the right side how many numbers are there. 2 numbers. That is, after decimal to the right side 2 numbers. So from here you have to start. Okay, from here you have to start. Then 2 places, 1, 2 places before one decimal. This way you can multiply a whole number by decimal number. Okay. Next I am going to show you how to multiply a decimal number by 10. I will show you one example. What is 1.3 multiplied by 10? What is the rule? If I want to multiply this number, first I want to ignore the decimal and multiply the number. This is 13 and 10. How to multiply this type of number? Write number 13. Then here you can see 1 0. So put that 0. So you will get 130. Now after decimal to the right side, how many place? Only one place. You can see one number. Okay. So from this place you have to move towards left. So from the right part only one place after put a decimal. So you will get 13.0. Let's go to another example. 31.1 multiplied by 100. See, multiplication of decimal number is very easy, but you have to practice more. Otherwise you will get confused how to do this all. That is why I am doing so many questions. So 31.1 multiplied by 100. If I want to multiply this, first what is the rule? You have to ignore the decimal and multiply. That is 31.1, ignore the decimal, so 311 multiplied by 100, that is 311. After how many zeros are here? 2 zeros. Write 2 zeros. Then after decimal, only one place, you can see only one place. So from the back side, one place after put decimal. You will get 3110. Okay. The next one, you want to do this one, 0.03 multiplied by 1000. If I want to multiply this type of number, what I want to do? The first thing, I am going to ignore the decimal and take the number 3 multiplied by 1000. What is 3 multiplied by 1000? 3 after how many zeros? 3 zeros. 3000. Now consider the decimal. After decimal to the right side, 2 places. So from the backward, that is we are going to move this way. So from here count 1, 2 places, then put a decimal, that is 30.00. Okay. Next we are going to learn how to multiply a decimal number by decimal number. For example, if I want to multiply 2.5 into 0.3, what is the first step? The first thing we are going to do, ignore the decimal point and multiply. That is here, if you are ignoring this decimal, so we will get 25. Here 3. What is 25 multiplied by 3? Is 75. After this you have to count. After decimal, here 1 place. Again after decimal, here 1 place. Total 1 plus 1, 2 places. So from here you have to count 1, 2 places. So 2 places before you have to put decimal. So the answer is 0. If you want, you can write 0 here, 0.75. Let's go to another example. If I want to multiply 0.1 into 51.7. 51.7. Here you first want to ignore the decimal point and take the number 1 and 517. So 1 into 517 is 517. After that you have to count after decimal in the right place 1.1, again from right place 1. So total 2 places. So from here you have to count 1, 2 places, then put a decimal place. So you will get 5.17. Okay. Let's go to another example. If I want to multiply 0.5 into 0.05, ignore the decimal, you will get 5 here. Here also 5. 5 into 5 is 25. I am going to write here 25. Now after decimal, here 1 place, then here after decimal 2 place. Total 1, 2, 3 places. So 1, 2, instead of the third number you have to put a 0 because we want 3 places, then put a decimal. So the answer is 0.025. I think everybody get a clear idea. Practice more more questions. Thank you for watching. Also, if you are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe and share to your friends.